Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to replace a spark plug wire or cable. I brought this online and I hope I got the right part. This is very easy to replace, so I'm just gonna show you on how to do it. First thing what we gotta do is remove the filter box, the air filter box out of the way so we can access the spark plug cable. Alright, so we have removed the air filter box. So here are the spark plug wires or cable and then the ignition coil. We're just gonna simply follow the wire, so we're not gonna remove all of it to avoid mistake and confusion. So let me just go ahead and get my new one. Here's the cable. So we're just gonna do the longest one first. Here's the longest wire, the first one. Just follow that wire. So this is this one. Just simply remove it, take it out, and in with the new. Alright, just unhook the old one, out with the old, in with the new. There you go. And just clip it back in here. There you go. To the next wire again, and the longest is this one. So this is the second wire. Just unhook everything and pull it out. So this is the second. Remove it. There you go. And then in with the new. Make sure it's tight. There you go. And then make sure it goes under here. There you go. Alright, next, third wire. Always the longest one. Out. Take this out. So this is it. In with the new. Clip it here. so it looks nice and tidy. And just make sure you feel or hear that clicking sound there. And just arrange a little bit. There you go. Last but not the least, last wire. So it's this one. Pull it out. There you go. And in with the new. Arrange them properly. There you go. Just arrange it a little bit to make it look nice and tidy. I got this extra hook here. Just gonna put it here. There you go. Make sure the wire are very tight. They're snug in. Here's the old wire. You can see it's busted. There's cracks on it. It's old. Alright, just put everything back and let's give it a try. Alright, everything is back at their place, so let's fire it up. Alright, it's up and running. Sounds good to me. Everything seems to be working fine. So there are no misfire, no vibration or anything. Everything looks good and it's working, and I hope you learned something here. You have a great day, guys.